Jack Frost.
In Rise of the Guardians and in the real world.
Who is Jack Frost in Rise of the Guardians? In the movie, Jack Frost is a young boy who does what he wants to do and not something seriously. But he became a guardian in the end and began to be more serious. He loved to tease children and make frost. He has white hair and wooden stuff to make the frost.
Who is Jack Frost in the real world? Jack Frost is a personification of frost, snow, ice, sleet, and freezing cold weather. He is responsible for the snow and ice. Jack is a spirit that is carefree and happy, then he can behave as he pleases. Jack is said to be a friendly spirit, but he can be very dangerous because if you insult him, he will cover you with snow or turn you into frost. It is also him that leaves the frosty, fern-like patterns on windows in the cold weather mornings. He is often portrayed as an older man, but other places as a young adult or a teenager. In more modern mythology, he is often the being that parents will warn their children of in frosty winter mornings before they go outside. As it said, he will pull tricks on them in case their extremities to become cold. He has been presented as a villain, a hero, or neither.
In Denmark, we for example hear about him in our song Snemand Frost og Frøken Tø, at English Snowman Frost and Miss Thou. It is a song about a snowman who falls in love with a woman and he melts when he's together with her. In Russia, he is a different form as a grandfather Frost, and in Germany there is instead a different hero. There are some various mythological beings that have roughly the same meanings.